Okay, so today what we're having is this beautiful Mercedes E200 AMG, and what this is getting is a complete overhaul. So what we're doing is we are wrapping it in a matte black. We're going to be dechroming the handles and doing a full dechrome, and also we're going to be refurbishing these silver alloys. So I'm going to show you the wrap real quick and then we're going to jump straight into the video. There is the wrap, and let's get straight into the video. Before we get on to wrapping the car, subscribe and hit the bell notification button to see us transform and wrap more cars. The car has already been washed and now we are clay barring the car. Okay, so while the team are on a quick break, I'm going to run you through the update of the Mercedes. So I'd say it's about halfway done. So what we've wrapped so far is we've wrapped the bonnet and the side wings. The driver's side door has been wrapped, but the passenger, as you can see, has not yet. Both of the rear doors have been wrapped. We've got the quarter panels, both of them need wrapping. And obviously it's quite a big piece, so it's going to take a little bit of time. So the bumper has been wrapped apart from the underneath bit, which we're going to work on next. The boot lid at the top has been wrapped, but you know, the front of the boot where the plate is, that hasn't been wrapped, so that'll be next. Is obviously this quarter panel as well. Once we've probably done the quarter panels, we're going to have the team then take these alloys and then begin the refurbishment process. And while they're refurbishing the alloys, we're probably going to dechrome this. Now it is already black, but the problem is with it, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's actually quite faded. It's not in the greatest of condition, so the customer wants that redoing, so it looks absolutely spotless and the car is going to look amazing. So let's continue on with the video. Now the car is being wrapped, we will then move on to the dechrome. Dechroming is a small change, but it can make such a huge difference. Okay, so the alloys have now been refurbished. The car is now complete, so let's cut the lights and show you the transformation. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video or like the transformation, then leave a like. And if you subscribe, we'll be making more content like this. So, until the next video, goodbye.